Hi, I'm Lisa and this is Ari Boss. We're concessionaires at the World's Fair. This is our candy factory here where we have 4 floors of restaurants and bars.
Took over the candy factory in February 1982 and we've had 3 months to complete it. It's 4 floors of restaurants and snack bars. Can you tell them a little bit about each floor?
Well, on the ground floor we have the Italian Pasta Palace, and this is the wine and beer terrace. Then on the second floor we have Cafe Express, which is a fast food, European style type restaurant with items from different countries. Italy has spaghetti and pizza, France has quiche and onion soup, Germany has bratwurst, and England has fish and chips. America, of course, has hamburgers and hot dogs and club sandwiches. Then the next floor is the International Buffet, which is open to the public as well as being the group catering for all the tourists on the site. And then the top floor, which is our pride and joy, is the Flamingo Lounge, which is open to the public, and the VIP, which is a private club for Gold Passport members and visiting dignitaries.
Right now we're at the terrace of the Pasta Palace and the Italian Terrazzo, where we feature wine and beer, Italian music, and pizza and Italian food inside.
My husband's been doing fairs for 30 years. He's probably one of the most experienced World's Fair people around today. He's been doing it since the Festival of Britain, 1951. And I just jumped on 11 years ago. We hope that you'll all come and visit the candy factory. We'd like to see you there.